Okay, this is my review of the NWS eDetector, part 819-4. In the box, you get the instructions. It just tells you that there is a test tip for voltage test, grip area, on-off button, screw for opening the device backside, torch light, and a red LED indicator. And it comes with two battery covers. One battery cover has the loop on it, and the other battery cover is without the loop feature. Other than that, they're the same thing. And that requires the removal of a tiny screw right here. All right. So the first problem I ran into with the NWS eDetector is I had planned on putting it on my NWS 145-49-160 wire stripper. The problem is this profile curvature is too aggressive for the profile of the detector, and I might be able to smash it down on there, but it really doesn't fit right. It doesn't fit right. If I take the spare back and I really mash it down, you can see it just doesn't fit in there. It's not a good fit. And also the same size handle. This is a 4.5 inch handle, which is the same handle that's on the NWS 140-69-205 needle nose pliers. This also does not fit on here. And so it really doesn't fit on there. So if you go up to the 5-inch handle on the NWS 134-69-160, then it works. So then you can get this on here, snaps on, the profile matches, and it makes sense. Okay, so then you've got a button here, turns it on. You've got an LED. It's not real bright, but if you're in a dark electrical box, it's going to be better than nothing. And it does detect voltage. So if I sweep down toward the wire, it doesn't detect it until it's at the tip or above the tip. So that seems to be where the detection area is here to the tip. Yep. So you can kind of see where the detection area is there. Okay, so that's the voltage detector part of it. And then the loop I find a little confusing because I don't know if they intended the lanyard to clip on that. I mean, it can, but it's not here. You know, I don't know. It seems like the lanyard should be here and not here. But the lanyard does clip on that loop if you have the lanyard. So, you know, you can also use the lanyard on the clip that the lanyard comes with. You can put it on the other handle and have it this way. Okay. So then if we take this size plier, side cutter works too, because that's the same 5-inch handle. This again also is the same handle. This one has a different profile to the handle, and it will snap on there, I believe. Okay, except you can see that the profile is different from this. So these pliers have the same length of handle, about 5 inches, but they have a different curvature, a different profile to them. And so on this tool, this gets a little weird. It's really kind of sticks out in the middle of the space here where you're going to maybe have your fingers. But so this probably isn't a really good fit for some NWS pliers, but it's also very difficult to find this. KC Tool does not have it. September 2018, I looked today. KC Tool did not have this. Chad's Toolbox gave me this because of a mix-up in an order, and they gave this to me as a courtesy. I don't owe them any video review of this, but I'm very thankful to chadstoolbox.com for giving me this detector. They don't even sell it, and it seems like it's for sale on Amazon.de, which is German Amazon, but this guy is a little hard to find. That's the 819-4. And I can tell you that it does work on the NWS. Let me make sure I got the right 134-69-160. So it works on this side cutter. That's a 5-inch handle. And that's my review of the NWS SystemClip detector.